Check out this GMC 2021 Sierra 1500 AT4. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 4 SP, 3.23 rear axle ratio, auto-locking rear differential, 18x8.5 machined aluminum wheels, 20x9 machined aluminum, perforated leather appointed front seat trim, 10-way power driver seat adjuster with lumbar, off-road suspension and radio, premium GMC infotainment system with multi-touch. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.